Get so excited when I see some stuff up in here. Chill. Okay. All right, let me get it together. Okay, so you guys can understand exactly what I'm saying. Okay, let me show you guys what they have. When I tell you it's the newness for me, it's always the newness for me. Chill. Look at this new item Dollar Tree have. Peace, family, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Honey, let me tell you something. What I want you to do is I want you to put on some clothes, get dressed up, have your hair out, okay, and feel that energy and do what works for you. Okay, my love? Let me tell you something right now. Okay, right now I have in my book, The Magic of Thinking Big. Okay, if you don't have this in your library, okay, I'm gonna need you to get this book. Okay, let me tell you something. My energy right now is on a trillion. Okay, I feel so good. I feel darn dangerous. And that's what I want for you. I want you to feel so good that you feel dangerous. Okay, today we are at Dollar Tree. The energy is so good, honey. That's why when you see me talking fast and stuff like that, that's because of the energy. Okay. Now, today we are at Dollar Tree. We're about to do this phenomenal haul. Well, I'm about to do this phenomenal haul with you guys. Okay, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourself. Let's go inside. Okay, so first up, they have this paddle board, and this is new, by the way. Okay, they also have these DIY snow globes, which are really, really cute. They have more paddle boards that says it's Christmas, yay. Then more paddle boards that says let it snow. This is really, really cute. I also showed you guys the fork snow and then the little bells over here that comes in different colors. So they have the red, the silver, they have the gold, and the green. How cute is this? They have the mini bowls over here. Really, really nice. They also have the metal wreath hangers that comes in different colors. So they have the red, the green, and the gold. They also have the foam scatters. Now this is new. I don't remember seeing this the last time that I was in here. And it comes in different colors. 20 pieces for $1.25. And then they have another foam scatter, okay, with different colors. Well, this is silver and white. 20 pieces for $1.25. Okay. So this is definitely new. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the garland, which is gold. Then they have it in red as well. 20 feet for $1.25. They also have this decorative mesh over here that comes in different colors, the Christmas colors. Okay, so they have the red, the white, the green. Really, really cute. They also have these bells over here. I had showed you guys these last time. I absolutely love these. I'm a gold girl. Okay, so they have the gold, the red, and also the silver. So when I come to Dollar Tree, I always know it's going to be something juicy and good up in here. You get what I'm saying? So right here, they have these poinsettias, okay, right here. And then they also have these velvet poinsettias up at the top, which are these blue ones are really, really cute. I absolutely love those. Then they have the little branches over here. You guys know I'm a goals girl, okay? Then they have these over here. Honey, these are fancy pantsy mancy, okay? And remember, these are $1.25, and I believe you get like about 4 of them. Okay, so I had showed you guys, no, this is new. So this snowflake right here is definitely new, this ornament. Okay, and this is $1.25. This is cute. They also have the DIY ornaments. I had showed you guys these last time. How cute. These are really, really cute. Wait, hold on. What was it? This one I showed you guys. All right. Okay, so they have these. This is new, the DIY ornaments. One for $1.25, which is a bigger size, and then they also have the DIY ornaments, which you get 2 for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this 15 feet garland, $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these snowman napkins and 24 pieces for $1.25. These are cute. Okay, so right now Dollar Tree also have the deluxe bowls, 6 pieces for $1.25. Christmas theme. You see the gold? Love me some gold. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the Dawn Platinum, remove 99% of grease and food. This is new, okay, because this is very well stocked, okay? You see how stocked up these are, these little Dawns. This is also new as well, the Ultra Deluxe Liquid Dish Detergent by Awesome. They also have that one, which is lemon, and then they also have this red one, which is a citrus smell. Dollar Tree also have the Sunpine Cleaner with bleach powered by peroxide. Okay, I never seen this before, so I'm guessing this is a new item, which is really, really good, I'm guessing, because it has bleach in it and you can use it for the grout that's inside the shower. Really good. Okay, so Dollar Tree also had the Gain Ultra Onyx. Now, this is new because I never seen this before. So, it's the 2-in-1, okay, for $1.25. And I believe this is the detergent, honey. Yeah, this is the detergent. But they also have the fabric softener, okay. Child, fancy pantsy mancy. Okay, so we talked about this, the granite and marble. In fact, I had brought me a bottle of this. I have not tried it yet, but normally this brand is really, really good. The all-purpose cleaner, absolutely excellent. Okay, now I did purchase the all-purpose cleaner and I actually used the all-purpose cleaner and it worked out phenomenal. Okay, it's really, really good, but I haven't got around to use the granite and marble. And if you go online, this is sold for about $12 to $15. They have it here at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also had these stick-ups. Yeah, I know Dollar Tree had these for a minute, okay? But my intuition said do a video on this. So if you need something to freshen up your closet or something, or the bathroom, you can buy these. And it says up to 60 days and you get two sticks, okay, well, two sticky things for $1.25. Airwick, very good. I was in here the other day, I told you guys about the little plushies. Now, honey, they got a new friend over here, okay? All right, look at this. Okay, sometimes I'll be getting it mixed up with the alligator and the crocodile. Okay, which one is this? Okay, that's neither here nor there. But these plushies, they are $5 and they are so, so cute. So it's a collection. Okay, so they have the dinosaur, they have the elephant, they have the monkey, and now they have added the alligator or the crocodile, okay? They also have these over here. Ooh, child, this is so cute. Okay, look at this. The little dinos, okay? And these are $5, so this is pretty much the collection, okay? $5 per one. And you guys had seen the other day when I was in Lidl. Lidl has some plushies too, but those plushie, honey, they gonna run you about $20. 19 to 20. New item at Dollar Tree is this glow-in-the-dark printed plush throw blankets. Now, these are so, so cute. So, when it's dark, it's going to look like this. Look at the dinos, okay? Really, really cute. I absolutely love this. Okay, this purple, honey, this purple is calling me, okay? And then they also have the blue over here. Really, really, now you guys know I'm a green girl, okay? Green and gold, okay? This is really, really cute. Now, this is not a glow in the dark like the rest of them. This is just the regular printed plush throw. Okay, new product. Okay, so 36 pieces for this reflective magnet. So you could put these on your car. Okay, I guess you could also put this like on your shrubs if you have any, like your trees outside or whatever. These are really, really cute. So it says clean the application area of any dust or dirt. Firmly apply the magnet evenly across the surface. Use on metal surfaces only. And these are pretty much the colors that it comes in. And these are $3. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these LED lighted ceramic trees. Okay, I'm shocked nobody brought this one yet. Okay, this one, the rose gold honey, is calling me. Okay, they have these trees over here for $5. They also have these soldiers. I told you guys about the March of the Wooden Soldiers when I was a kid for Christmas. We would watch this every Christmas. They come in different colors, absolutely gorgeous. They also have these poinsettias over here, which are $3. I showed you guys this yesterday. And then they also have these metal jugs, okay, which are fancy pancy mancy. They come in different colors. They have the silver, the red, the white. Really, really cute. Dollar Tree also have these wooden Christmas trees, the green. Honey, I call dibs on the green. Okay, so the wooden Christmas trees, they come in green and white, and these are $3. Dollar Tree also have this vintage lantern, which is really, really cute. Look at the little deer, okay? And it takes 3 AAA batteries. These are cute. The color that it comes in right now, I just see black, okay? And these are $5. So Dollar Tree also have this decor right here that you could put on your porch, or you could put it inside the home. I would think on a porch, okay? So this is $5 and it's pretty long, okay? So it says Merry Everything. Dollar Tree also have this decorative bow. Ooh, honey, this is cute. Okay, this decorative bow, which is $3. Honey, this is fancy pancy mancy because they got the colors that I absolutely love. They have the gold up in there, honey. They have the green. Child. Dollar Tree also have the pine and berry wreaths. Okay, these are so, so cute. Okay, I'm trying to see where's the price for them. Let me see. Okay, so these are $5. How cute are these? These are really, really cute, but honey, hold on. Okay, fancy pancy mancy. I want you to say that with me, okay? Whenever I come on here, I want you to just think in your mind, okay? Fancy pancy mancy. Okay, they have these Christmas trees right here. These are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so they have the silver one, they have the green, they have the white. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have Santa Please Stop Here. This is $5. Dollar Tree also have the clothesline garland. Okay, these are $5. Okay, and it comes with, I guess, like the little Santa outfit. Hold on, child, you know I got you. Okay, so it comes with the Santa jacket, the Santa boots. Is that a skirt? Okay, honey, I think that's the skirt with some shorts, okay? And it just pretty much repeats itself. Then they also have this green one, okay, with the elf theme. This is really, really cute. This is $5. Cute. Child, you better get on down to your local Dollar Tree. Okay, look at this. So they have the Scotties Everyday Comfort. 256 tissues, $5. Okay, so it's the doggy socks for me. Okay, so Dollar Tree, they done started selling doggy socks. Look at these. Honey, I cannot make this stuff up. Okay, so let me see, 2 pairs for $1.25. And the sizes that they come in is extra small and small. Dollar Tree also have these mirrors, which comes in different colors. So they have the pink, the purple, the black, all for $1.25. Ooh, they also have these new brushes, okay? Sleek, I keep it smooth, okay? Let me see. Really, really cute. Honey, you trying to get them waves, okay? Honey, the brush is $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these bobby pins. Now, I always seen these bobby pins, but I always seen this color right here. Now they have the black ones, 90 pieces for $1.25. Hair clips, honey, they got you, okay? 2 pieces for $1.25. This is fancy pantsy mancy. So if you're a person and you're like, you know what, I'm tired of damaging my hair with the heat and stuff like that, Dollar Tree have these heatless curling set for $1.25. Now this is the larger curling set, and then they also have a smaller curling set right here. Now, you know what's crazy? Because I will go to the beauty supply store, and I'm quite sure I wasn't paying $1.25 for 600 rubber bands. Okay, so Dollar Tree said, listen, it's finna be winter, okay, and you need some thermal socks, we got you. Look at these socks. These are really, really cute. Honey, they feel very soft. These are $1.25 thermal socks. They come in 2 colors, so they have the blue and they also have the gray. Dollar Tree also have these umbrellas, which, honey, I had brought 3 of these for me and my children, $1.25. So I had showed you guys this before, the edge wax. Now I had purchased 2 of these. I have the coconut and I have the watermelon. Now I have tried the watermelon. It's pretty good, okay, for $1.25. It's really, really good, okay. And so they have 3 different kinds. They have the coconut, the watermelon, and then they also have the shea butter. Okay, so honey, you want to get fancy pantsy mancy? Okay, Dollar Tree have this nail art and glitter, which is new, $1.25. Really, really cute. So you get 2 pieces for $1.25. Okay, so if you need a nail grooming kit, honey, don't worry, Dollar Tree got you 6 pieces for $1.25. They also have the 8 pieces, okay, for $1.25. Now, which one you gonna take, the 6 or the 8? In fact, you can get both of them for $2.50, okay? Not bad at all. So I showed you guys this yesterday, the Ultra Shimmer Lip Gloss. In fact, if you guys haven't watched that haul that I did yesterday, the walkthrough, I'll leave that in the link up at the top so you guys can get caught up, okay? Dollar Tree had this Villain lip gloss. Okay, now this is cruelty free and it's ultra shimmer. Okay, so if you a person you like, I don't like all that shiny stuff, you know, glittering and stuff like that, then honey, this would not be for you. Okay, all right. And they also come in different colors. So they have this purple one right here. Then they also have this pink one. The pink one I absolutely love is this color. Cute. Okay, so what I noticed is every character that's on the packaging, the color of the lip gloss is going to be different. Okay, they also have this one right here, and this is another ultra shimmer lip gloss. They also have these blender makeup sponges, which comes in 2 different colors. They have the pink, the blue. Really, really cute. So I also told you guys about the under eye massager. Okay, so this comes in 2 different colors. They have the black and they also have the purple. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the silicone lip scrubber, 2 for $1.25. They also have this right here, the lip mask. Okay, you get 2 pieces for $1.25, and it has mango and cherry in it and collagen. Okay, so I keep saying this, the tea tree oil. I'm definitely going to get one of these tomorrow. Okay, so this is face wash with tea tree oil inside. Honey, don't give me the line about this word. Okay, so I'm definitely going to get one of these tomorrow. And they're $1.25, not bad at all. Dollar Tree also have these thin pad liners. Okay, so it's 20 to a pack for $1.25. This is actually my first time seeing these. I had showed you guys these pads yesterday. Okay, Moody's, okay, basics, 8 ultra thin pads with wings for $1.25. Really, really cute. Okay, so I guess Dollar Tree is bringing these back out. Okay, the cosmetic swabs infused with rose oil, this one. Then they also have the green tea. Okay, and then they also have this one with the coconut. You get 50 pieces for $1.25. Okay, so maybe this is not new to you guys, but this is definitely new to me. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this, I believe. Okay, Dollar Tree have so much stuff. Okay, okay. So they have this extra duster right here for $1.25. So this is a duster refill for $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these branches over here. These are really, really cute. So it says maple, and I believe you get 3 or 4 of these for $1.25. And this is pretty much what they have. Okay. And all it is $1.25. This is really, really cute. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep on going, keep on growing, and keep on glowing. Okay, until next time. Peace.